All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. I really believe that there is so many great things that happen every single day. Every single day, people do wonderful things. Families get together. Families work together. Families provide for their children. Families educate children on the way to grow and be good people. The problem is simple. None of those things make money. And nowadays, we live in a society where news needs to make money, people needs to make money, and let's face it, horrible things sell pretty well. If I tell you right now that the new movie came out, or the new movie came out, and it's about wonderful things, you're probably not going to go and see it, right? So again, horrible events make money, and that's why you see it constantly, right? But every now and then, as we do these videos here, I like to show you something good that happened to reestablish or to restore humanity in a way, so you can see that not everything is bad and there's great people out there. This is a story. This is one of those stories, and it came out of Chicago. I'm about to play a video here for you guys to check it out, but just the fact that came out of Chicago, it says a lot, because check it out. I don't know how people live there. I just don't know. Every weekend, there is so much crime that it's insane. Every weekend is like the worst, in this year, or the worst shooting in the last 3 years, or whatever. It's every weekend. If I be a dad with a wife raising children in Chicago, I'll be so worried about my children. Really worry about my children and their safety, obviously, right? So before I get into that video and you guys see what I'm about to show you, remember, if you want to support the channel, you could become a patron. You could also be part of the membership squad. It's down there. You could use our Amazon affiliate links. Believe it or not, that's a great way to support the channel. You click on my links down there. You buy yourself some makeup, and then, a little portion comes from Amazon to me. Not you. You don't pay money. Amazon pays me money. It's good. It's good to take away from Amazon because they are an empire. So we need to take away some of the money and send it to people down here that needs them, right? So let me share my screen right here. And actually, let's play the intro. Yeah, I like my intro. All right, here we go. Let me click here. Let me click there. And let's do this. Let's do this. And here we are. So again, before I get into that, make sure you subscribe to the Jarhead 6 Ride channel where I ride my motorcycle. All those videos are in that channel. So click on that and let's watch this.
Uber driver who helped save a man's life was awarded today for his efforts. Michael Bussin rushed two brothers to the hospital after one of them had been shot. He found them while driving near 29th and Federal after they crashed trying to get to the hospital. That man's now on a ventilator. He lost a lot of blood inside of that vehicle, so Uber deemed the vehicle a total loss and a biohazard risk. And today, activist Jamal Green wanted to help Bussin fix the damage, but Bussin declined.
I want you to give it to the family.
Okay, go ahead. You can give it to the family.
No, I'm giving it to you to give to the family.
You want me to give it to the family?
I want you to give it to the family.
No problem. So he wants to give it to the family. So we're going to go ahead and give it to the family.
I'll figure out what I'm going to do later. This kid needs more help than anything, and those kids need food.
Okay.
I'm not going to turn around and drive around in a luxury SUV with those kids not having food on the table.
Wow.
Bussin says the only way he could fix that vehicle is if he gets the entire interior replaced. He says it could cost up to $20,000, but he doesn't want people to help. He wants people to help the man shot. Bussin plans to set up a GoFundMe for his medical bills.
I'm going to tell you, that was just amazing. When I see things like this, guys, I'm like, I just can't even believe it. I really can't even believe it that some people are out there trying to do the right thing. I mean, in fact, this guy is picking up people that got shot. Something could have happened to him, right? Again, something could have definitely happened to him. He doesn't care. He put his life at risk. He didn't care about his car. He didn't care about the blood. He didn't care about none of those things. He took those people to safety, made sure they were safe. And when they were going to give him money, he said no. He said no. Give the money to them. They need money. Wow. So anyways, I saw that story coming out of Chicago. Typically, you don't see good stories coming out of Chicago. So because of that, I decided to kind of highlight it here in the channel. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. And as always, God is in control.